With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question says an object of mass 80 kg moving with a velocity of 2 meter per second hit by collides with another object of mass 20 kg moving with velocity 4 meter per second. Find the loss of energy assuming a perfectly inelastic collision. There is 4 options given, so we have to check which option is correct. Now we will draw two objects. Now according to the question, there is a object of mass 20 kg 4 meter per second hits the body which weigh 80 kg which is moving with 2 meter per second. There is inelastic collision between them. Their mass are combined, which is 100 kg which is moving with velocity v. So by conservation of momentum, initial momentum, which is 20 into 4 plus 80 into 2 equal to 100 into v, we calculate the value of v, which come to be 2.4 meter per second. Now we will calculate the initial kinetic energy. The kinetic energy before collision will be half into 20, which is mass, v, which is 4 meter per second square, 4 square, plus half into mass, second body mass, which is 80 kg, into which is velocity, which is 2 meter per second, 2 square, equal to 320 joule. Now kinetic energy after collision, means final kinetic energy, will be half the mass of body, which is 100 kg, into speed, which is 2.4 meter per second. We will calculate it. We will get 288 joule. Now the energy loss will be delta E, which is initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy. So initial kinetic energy is 320 joule and final kinetic energy is 288 joule. So energy loss delta Ke will be 32 joule. So we have to check which option is correct. So going back to the options, 12 joule wrong, 24 joule wrong, 30 joule wrong, 32 joule yes correct. Option D is correct. So the loss of energy in this inelastic collision will be 32 joule. So option D is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.